Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning from Phong Nha, Vietnam. It is 4:20 in the morning and we just got done with a night bus from Ninh Binh and we're standing in our homestay right now. Fortunately, some guys picked us up from our homestay at the bus stop, so didn't have to make the long walk to our homestay. And this is what $9 gets you here in Phong Nha. That's where we're at.
The hot water already works, so that's a plus. And I think we're gonna be taking, it's been like 24 hours, we're gonna be taking another bus, so it's kind of weird because we're like here from 4 a.m. to 4 a.m. But they were super nice about check-in and everything, which was such a plus.
Yeah, we're trying to keep our voices down a little bit since it's so early in the morning, but I think we're gonna go to bed right now, get like 2 or 3 hours of sleep, and check out some of the caves that Phong Nha has to offer. All right, everyone, after 4 hours of sleep, we are back out to explore, and this is what Phong Nha kind of looks like during the day. Since we arrived at night, you couldn't really see anything, but more mountains all around us. They even have a Hollywood sign. Phong Nha Kabang. Hello, xin chào. So I'm not quite sure if all of Vietnam has mountains like this, but it's really nice up in the north. So Phong Nha is a pretty small village, or town I should say. It's well known for its national park and all the caves you can kind of explore. So I think that's what we're gonna do today. Hello. No, thank you. No, thank you. National Park. Yes, we'll get a motorbike. No, that's okay. I don't need petrol. So that's pretty much the exit out of Phong Nha. If you're riding a bike, it only takes about, probably would you say 5 minutes to get through the whole city. It's pretty much just one street. And It's pretty small.
There's a big national park, Phong Nha, I believe.
Yeah.
Kind of like outside.
So we're just biking around, taking in the sights. It's our last hour of sunlight. See if we can check out some rice paddies. Xin chào. Hello. So this is what a Vietnamese village looks like. And there's the river right there. I think this is, we cruised down here earlier to get to the cave. Just seeing it from a different perspective now. It's nice to see the authentic Vietnam compared to staying in cities like Hanoi and Halong Bay. Those are pretty developed, and so seeing how most of the country actually lives is really nice. What would you say?
Oh, it's beautiful. I'm more of a fan of the
Hello.
I'm more of a fan of the calmer cities. You too. So yeah, I definitely like seeing this, being that right on the river. It's pretty quiet. Okay,
Blasting music.
Yeah.
It's really friendly here too. I think the big city hardens people up, makes them less friendly. They got to deal with the tourist BS all the time, and I think these people are a little bit more friendly. It's a makeshift volleyball court. And here's what some of these Vietnamese houses look like. They all look like they're partially complete.
They look like they will be nice.
If you can see, yeah. I mean, they're just pretty much concrete and
Big wooden doors.
yeah, they still have the concrete columns that are still have what is that called? Pipe or I can't even remember the name. Rebar, that's the word I was looking for. Yeah, there you go. There's some columns with rebar sticking out of it, so just incomplete almost. Some kids playing soccer. They're very passionate about their soccer here. Unfinished rebar, cinder blocks, unfinished home. Where are we gonna go next? Oh yes, I wanted to see this statue up here. This this thing, yeah, from the water that we saw earlier. Now we have no idea what this thing is. I want to check this out. Saw this from the water. Don't know if this is on someone's property. It looks like it might be. Huh. No idea what this is. Doesn't look like anything religious. Huh. Excuse me. What is this? No English? Oh, okay. Thank you. Come on. Huh. I guess we'll never know. Bye-bye. Going down the back streets now. Oh, and there's vegan. Doesn't look like a restaurant. 2 tables in there. Old chicken coops. Oh, and some nice bungalows over there. That's cool. Wow. Having a good day? Aw, little calf.
Happy cow.
Hello. Bye-bye. All right, let's see where this takes us. Oh, that must be his cows. You okay? Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Emma's struggling back there with the bike. Yeah, this is very scenic. So quiet out here. Might be a bit boring to live here, but it's nice to see for a few days. Got more cows coming up. Hello. Very secluded over here. Oh, look at that. That's a nice view. Now we're at the base of these mountains and you can actually start to see how dense these jungles actually are. From a distance it just looks like, you know, it's a jungle, but then you get up close to it, you just see you couldn't even walk through that. It's insane. It's just overhanging up there, right there.
Good thing we're not going in.
Oh, that's where our next bungalow is booked for. Middle of the jungle. There it is. That's our
shack.
That's our next Airbnb. A shack in the jungle. Oh. Check this abandoned building out. Some spray paint cans over there. Nice. Oh, this is cool. This is just right across the street from the abandoned building. Not sure what this is. It's covered in moss and kind of just scratched off and faded. Looks like it's been there for probably since like the Vietnam War. Oh, oh, nice. Oh, missed the cow poop. Zoom. I've never ridden a bike this long without hands. Oh, and I touched the handlebars. Oh, oh, oh. No, this is way too deep. Watch the puddle. Now found ourselves biking on a highway. Hopefully we get off here soon, because this probably is not the safest. Oh yeah, over to the left? Okay. I think we could probably cut over after this car. Almost off the highway. And let's get on the sidewalk. Hello. We're back. Right, it is now 4 a.m., 24 hours after we arrived in Phong Nha, and we're about to hop on another bus right now, actually.
We're heading down to Hoi An, so we're making our way from north to south in Vietnam. Hopefully we can get some sleep on this bus. Pray for us. We'll see you soon. Thank you for watching.
Yeah, thanks for watching. See ya.